In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this thanks for watching end screen in a few simple steps. Okay, so let's get started. We're starting from a blank canvas with video format. I'm going to the Elements tab. And here I'll type Minimalist Green Gradient Animation. Or you can search Motion Background. And it provides options. Okay, I'll put it aside because I don't need it. Right-click and set video as the background. First, I will reduce the duration. Then I want to go to the Elements tab. And from the shapes, I choose the circle. If the profile picture is going to be without a background, it's better to change the color of the circle to another color that suits the profile, like this gradient. I also set the border style, and this is optional if you want a border around your profile picture. Click Border Color, and I'm going to change it to white. Next, head over to Elements, and get a Circle Frames. Scale it down. And then place that on top of Circle Element. Make sure position it accordingly. Now go to Uploads and then bring your photo and drag that into the frame. Click Frame, go to Crop and adjust the position. Group them. Maybe a little smaller. Let me zoom out to see what it looks like from a distance. I'm going to Elements and looking for Rounded Rectangle. Graphics See All. Let's see which one is more suitable. This is good. And I'm going to change the color to this red. And place it below the profile picture and also reduce its size. Adjust the position. Although, again, in the last step, everything should be checked to make sure they are correct and level. Go to Elements and search for notification bell icon. Reduce the scale. Adjust its position. You can also use the arrows on your keyboard to move it slightly. Now we're going to add the text, so I'll go to the text. Heading. And thank you for watching. I'll put it here. Then go to Fonts and search for Garrett. Subfont is also black. Font size maybe around 65. Duplicate and type the next word, which is watching. Size maybe around 125. Duplicate. First, I change the subfont to regular. Then type don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll type the channel name and subscribe as well, as you can see. Friendly reminder, subscribe, like, and ring that bell. It really helps me out and you'll stay updated on all my new videos. Now I'll reduce the duration of the text layer a little bit. Select the text, Animate. Burst. Decrease intensity. Select the text. Wipe and increase intensity. Text. Animate. Burst. Decrease intensity. Let's play it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.